Now, when Arrma started releasing the Grom series of vehicles with the Granite Grom and the Typhon Grom, I was kind of intrigued and Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC, and today we're going to do an unboxing of this new Arrma Mojave Grom. Now, when Arrma started releasing the Grom series of vehicles with the Granite Grom and the Typhon Grom, I was kind of intrigued and a little bit tempted to pick up the Granite Grom, but those vehicles weren't really what I usually go for, especially the Typhon. I'm not really into buggies as much. The Granite Grom, I kind of did consider it last year because it looked like a good basher, but again, I don't bash much, but you know, it looked like something that would be fun to run, and the price point was pretty good. Now, when they released the Mojave Grom, this is pretty much right up my alley. It has scale looks, and it's a small scale, so it's portable, highly portable, and easy to bring around everywhere, and that's pretty much what I want. I'm really into scale looks, and the Mojave Grom, I like the larger scale Mojave. The new 4S Mojave is fantastic looking. I really like that one a lot. I don't have one, but small scale Mojave, I was ready to pick it up as soon as I saw it for release. I picked this up from Tower Hobbies on a pre-order. I actually got it last week, but I just haven't had time to open it up until now. It's 4th of July, so I've got a day off. And I'm really excited to kind of take a look at what's inside and, you know, get this out and ready to run. Alright, so let's take a look at the box first. You can see this is the Mojave Grom small scale. I'm not really sure what scale it is. It's 1/16 maybe. But here you can see on this side of the box, shows you the layout of the chassis. It's got oil-filled shocks. Metal gears, so it does have some metal gears in the drivetrain. I think the diff gears do have plastic gears, but as far as the drivetrain where the spur gear and stuff, it does have metal gears up there. So take a look at this panel right here. Now you'll notice the Mojave Grom does come in two different colors. There's this red one, and there's this blue one, and you can see which color I picked up. I picked up the red one right there. So these are the two colors available at this moment. I'm probably gonna leave it for the most part. I will be tempted to repaint this body though, but we'll see. Here's a little bit, you can see it's a clipless body system, which is nice. 4-wheel drive. Some nice scale details on this, which is really nice, and the reason I picked this up. And once again, this is a ready to run. It's got a 380 brushed motor with a heatsink and fan. It's got the Spectrum radio, but pretty much, oh, it's got a 1400 milliamp LiPo battery too. It's a 2S battery. Comes with a charger also, so this is a full ready to run with battery and radio system. Anyway, let us open this up and take a look. So, right away, opening it up inside, there is the Mojave Grom staring right at you. You see, I picked up the red one. Pretty cool. Yeah? Let's free it from the box. One clip here. Another clip here. And it should have its freedom. It's got its freedom. Let's grab the other stuff out of the box first before we take a look at the rig. Radio. So this is the Spectrum radio, and I think I've pretty much seen this in some of the other Horizon Hobby offerings. Don't exactly remember which one, if it was maybe the UTP-18 maybe, but yeah, this is something I've seen before. SLT2, Spectrum SLT2. So RTR radio. Nothing else in the box. Let me go listen here. Alright, so you got your 4 batteries. It comes with the 4 batteries for the radio. Perfect. Here is the charger for the LiPo battery. Your tool. There's a tool here. And your instruction booklet. And so I'm guessing that the LiPo battery is actually in the Mojave Grom already. So let's take this out. Let's put this box away. Alright. See the Mojave Grom. Ooh, I can't wait to scale this out. There's probably a bunch of stuff I could just design for 3D print and scale this out. You can see it already, but should be fun rig to scale out. Little mini scale basher. Shortcuts truck. Let's take a look at the bottom. Alright, press on the sides and the body comes right off. Really easy system. Once again, take a close look at the body. There's this system right here for the clipless body mount. Okay. Let's take a look at what's inside. Got your servo underneath here, as well as your receiver, your radio, ESC receiver. So here is the LiPo battery, it's already inside. There's a little foam pad here to keep the battery from moving around, since the battery is a little bit shorter. Gold fill shocks. Pretty nice. So, I mean, that's about it. I'm not really an expert in bashers or short course trucks. I mostly deal with crawlers, but this is definitely something I really like, or I like the looks of, and it should be pretty fun to run. I mean, from what I understand, Arrma's really good at this sort of stuff, so definitely can't wait to run it. Let's take a look at how body clip works. There you go. Oh. Nice and plush. But that's about it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates or running videos on this Arrma Mojave Grom. Thanks for watching.